Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. So guys, inside this particular video, we are going to analyze what has happened on our step index 1 minute time frames. As I promised you guys that I will be bringing you daily updates on our step index and also on boom and crash indicator. So with this powerful indicator, as we all know that this indicator does not reprint. It does not reprint, guys. Once it appears, it stays permanently on the charts. So this is why this indicator is so powerful for you to follow, but you need to understand how this perfect indicator works. So inside this video I will be explaining how it works and how it can help you to make your daily profits every day. So as we can see, we have our arrow indicator on our charts, we have our mitigated level and our breaker level on our charts. So this is the combination of what we are going to be using for everything that we need. So guys, the one thing that you need to understand is this: anytime you have your arrow signal that appear on your charts, that is not your first confirmation. That is your first confirmation, and that is not your entry, guys. So you have to wait for our mitigated level or our breaker level to appear. Once it appear, then it will help us to know that particular trend has already confirmed. Like what you are seeing here, we have an arrow that appear here. Now this is not our entry confirmation. Our entry confirmation is where there is this breaker, our mitigated level, because it aligns with this our downtrend level, which show on the higher high. You can see our breaker level here, which is our mitigated level, it show on a higher high level. So it gives us a signal that this particular arrow is very accurate. So our entry can be on the confirmation side of this particular area. So we can trade our market on a downtrend. That is it. Now we have another confirmation here, which is our uptrend. But for this uptrend to be confirmed, we have to look for our mitigated level or our breaker level to align with this particular trend, to align with this particular arrow. So that is when we can identify those trends to be strong. You can see this is so strong, and if you enter your trade around this particular area, you will have taken a lot of trade at this particular one. So we can see there's no any breaker level that appears. So we can see another one here is show an uptrend. We don't have any breaker level around this area. So we keep on watching the market until we have another signal. So let's keep on watching and see. We can see a breaker appear here, but there's no confirmation arrow. So that means this particular trend does not confirm any trend. So now we can see this appear to us that we have a uptrend. Now we keep on watching if there's going to be a mitigated level or a breaker level, but we don't have. So that means this particular trend does not confirm. You can see that it does not confirm. So now we keep on watching again until we have our strong move on the market. You can see like what we have here now. We have another downtrend signal here, but on this particular downtrend signal, then we keep on watching the price. Maybe it's going to give us a mitigated level or a mitigated level that align with this particular trend. You can see we have our mitigated level here, which is this particular side that align with this particular trend. So our entry confirmation can be from this side. Then we can trade the market on a downtrend. You can see that. So we keep on watching again to look for a best accurate entry to take. We can see what happened here. We have our uptrend signal here. We have our upward signal here, but we don't see any mitigated level around here that show to us that this particular trend is confirmed. So we leave that trade. Now we have another downtrend around this area. We have another downtrend again at this particular area. So then we keep on watching for our mitigated that align with this particular down signal. Now you can see this is another mitigated level here that align with this particular downtrend, because it appears to be on our higher high level. You can see this, it appears to be on our higher high level. So that makes it align with this our arrow signal, and you can see what the trade did. The trade go down massively. So that's why I tell you guys that you have to be patient enough to look for the best entry to enter. You can see what happened here also. This is also a confirmation for us, but we don't see any breaker OB yet. So that is how we have to wait for it to what, to give us an accurate entry. So guys, for you to get this perfect indicator is very simple. All what you need to do is to join my Telegram group, and you are going to get access to me, and I will send you the indicator. But this indicator is not for free, guys. It's not for free. So do well to subscribe to our channel, and do well to turn up our notifications so that you will receive more updates on this, as we are dropping more video on step index every day. Thanks guys. See you guys in our next video.